Set just between the Italian village and the French village, you're gonna find one of the best features of this entire resort, the incredible Pirates Island Waterpark. Arr, matey, how's it going? Well, you're gonna absolutely love this place, and it's one of the reasons why so many families choose this particular resort. Of course, in addition to the incredible beach and everything else they have, I can't wait to show you. Follow me in. So every pirate needs an incredible pirate ship. You see right behind me here, we have the Jolly Roger. Just inside is Bobby D's restaurant, which is perfectly located right here in the water park. What I really appreciate about this water park is there is something for every age group member of the family, including mom and dad. You've got smaller water slides, splash pads, a large water slide, surf simulator, and one of my all-time favorites, a lazy river. I absolutely love to cruise around, check on the kids from time to time. We're gonna have an absolute blast here. Let me show you the entire space. First up, right next to the pirate ship, you're gonna have two slides. These are generally for the smaller kids, but of course, as you can see, that is a pretty fun and fast slide. You're also gonna have the wraparound yellow water slide there that gives you an extra whirl. And I really like that they have the hot tub. It's almost like those Olympic diving competitions, right? You finish up, you get out, hop in the hot tub for a little bit, and then on to the next feature. This is another view of the blue and yellow water slides. Once again, they're great for the young and, of course, well, the young at heart. I always love a water slide, and I've had a lot of fun with my family. And what I also appreciate about this particular space right here is you've got the bridge that comes over from the pirate ship, and on the other side, you actually have a swim-up bar right there. You've got another waterfall grotto over in the distance, and a ton of seating over here if you want to set up shop, sit, and relax while the kids enjoy the water park. As we continue to head through the water park, you have these cabanas behind me. Those are first come, first serve, and you have quite a few more chairs, loungers, plenty of place to set up camp as you enjoy the water park. Now, as we head further in, I wanted to point out one of my favorite little features here. You've got sand there. You can even bring your sand toys. I saw kids and parents playing there as well. So you've got that little sandy area. You have more seating tucked away over here to the corner. And then set just in front of Curls and Swirls, you have this great water pad where the little kids can run through. Once again, kids of all ages are welcome here, and kids of all ages are gonna absolutely love it here. They have things for the littlest ones all the way up to the big ones, and well, the biggest and the ones who are young at heart. Another one of the dining options here at Beaches Turks and Caicos is Curls and Swirls. This is one of their food truck carts experiences that they have here. You can get milkshakes, frozen yogurts. My all-time favorite is, of course, birthday cake, because who doesn't love birthday cake? But they have all kinds of different options for you, and this is that perfect place on a nice, warm, and sunny day. Come over here, cool off, head back in that lazy river, and enjoy your vacation. Now, one of our most requested features that they have here is a lazy river. You don't find that at very many all-inclusives, and you very seldom find anything quite as good as this. They have entry points set throughout the entire water park area where you can get in and out. They've got the double tubes and the single tubes, depending on what you're looking for. And what I like is you have a diversity of spaces as you wrap all the way around. You can see the different parts of the water park, what people are doing. You come underneath the nightclub even, and there is the waterfalls. And I also like that there's a shaded area with some stadium-style seating, so maybe mom, dad, grandma, or grandpa who don't want to or can't get in, they can still sit, watch, and enjoy being part of the lazy river experience. Another fantastic feature here in the water park is the surf simulator. So you can work on your balance and surfing here in Turks and Caicos. It's absolutely a ton of fun. As you can see, they're having a blast behind me. Kids usually line up for this one. It's one of their all-time favorites. And the better you get, the longer you go, the more fun that you get to have. Just a really cool thing to work on while you're on vacation and absolutely enjoy. Yeah. Awesome. He's crushing it. He gets back home. Those waves are gonna be nothing. Now we're in the very center of the water park right now, and this is the spot that I believe my daughter would go to absolutely first. You got this pirate ship with 4 or 5 different kinds of slides right there. You've got water features, even the pirate lookout up there has a waterfall coming off of it. You've got some plunge areas, a little slide here, and I really like that they have seating all the way around this as well. So depending on the age of your kiddo, you may wanna set up here or a little bit further back. I love the continuity of the pirate theming. Of course, you're gonna have the pirate lookout, the Jolly Roger flag, and there's even some cannons if you wanna, well, have a little bit of a squirt gun fight. Now for the bigger kids, you have these 3 fantastic water slides. You've got a couple tube slides, and then of course, the blue racer slide as well. You can see why so many families love this, especially multi-generational families, groups, wedding parties, because once again, this is such a great feature to complement all of the pools, the incredible sandy beach, and the beautiful turquoise water out there. What better way to enjoy part of your day at least than going into the water park, floating in the lazy river, going surfing, having the little kids have a place to run around and have an incredible time. Now, a relatively new addition here from the dining standpoint is Mr. Mac. It's a food truck. I love that they have that, and I love that they specialize in one thing. Well, my daughter's all-time favorite, and one of mine, that is macaroni and cheese. So they have 10 different items. All of them focus on mac and cheese. You can get a mac and cheese cheeseburger, mac and cheese buffalo chicken, taco, Philly cheesesteak, whatever it is. My favorite, of course, is the deep fried macaroni and cheese balls, but I love that they have this as an option because who doesn't like mac and cheese? I know one of the things that my daughter absolutely loves is as we're wandering around the resort, we run into some of our all-time favorite friends. And of course, well, me and Cookie. And guess what? We've got a few other friends too. Bert, Ernie, Elmo, the whole gang is here for a party. And guess what? They love the mac and cheese cart too, huh? Yeah? Yeah? All right. Thanks, guys. You guys rock. Grover's always bringing up, well, anyway, just kidding. Oh, sorry. Okay. All right. Always grumpy, whatever. Located just inside the Jolly Roger pirate ship is Bobby D's, and I think every single resort in the world should have one of these. It's a fantastic space. So right here, you've got an ice cream shop. You can have that fantastic banana split. Once again, all included. They've got a great variety of ice creams, milkshakes, frozen yogurts, things like that. And as you continue on in, you can see the space opens up right here. They have a nice little kids area tucked away. They're gonna use this for the kids club, coming and dining, but of course kids can dine there if you're dining in the space. And as you continue on through, you get into the 50s style diner. I absolutely love this space. Very reminiscent of a 50s mom and pop soda fountain kind of shop. You've got all the classics, the burgers, the chili cheese dogs, all of those kind of things. But the coolest thing about this particular space is that it's open from 11 a.m. until 6 a.m. in the morning. So 1 in the morning, you want a cheeseburger, this is your spot. You want some ice cream, popcorn, snacks, absolutely. And of course, like every restaurant here on site, the space is fantastic, but it's the people that make it. Have a lot of fun with the staff in here. And then finally, you've got the soda machine in the corner, and they even have a cotton candy maker, which, I'm gonna enjoy in a minute. Now we're inside Port Royal, which is actually an indoor-outdoor space. This is for kids of all ages. They're gonna have foosball, ping pong, pool, air hockey. They always have some TVs on there. They do activities here throughout the day as well, including their Game Squad games, where you can play all kinds of interactive games, once again, for every age group and member of the family. One thing that I think is really cool is that in addition to all of these, they even have the air hockey and some of the games for the smaller kids. I know my daughter, niece, and nephew would love it in here. They even have hammocks all throughout this place. Seriously, every single time. Gosh. Located just off the side of the water park, you're gonna find the Shadow Lounge. This is for teens and tweens. It's just a place to hang out and relax. They have several different spaces throughout the entire resort for that. So you've got a couple pool tables in here. One of my all-time favorites, of course, air hockey, foosball over in the corner, a couple places to sit and chill, and then ping pong. Once again, this is that place to sit and relax and enjoy, and then they're gonna have different programming throughout the day. Another awesome space for every member of the family is the Xbox Lounge. Beaches has a partnership with Xbox, and all around this space, it's absolutely huge. They have every kind of game that you can imagine. You see you have all of these small TVs. They've got some bigger ones spread out. Back here, they actually have the Xbox Connects with a lot of space to spread out. Maybe you want to do a dance competition with your friends or family. Keep in mind, this is for those who are young and, once again, young at heart. So anybody can come in here and enjoy, and it's usually open just about all of the day and into the evening. Thank you so much for joining us today. When you are ready to book your vacation here, the most important thing is that you deal with an expert. We know the space is inside and out. We can make sure everything is set up before you arrive so you can have that vacation of a lifetime, whether it's a couple or you want to do a full wedding, a family group, multi-generational, taking over those 4 bedrooms. We can take care of all the details for you so you can sit back, relax, and have the vacation of a lifetime at an incredible value.